I didn't learn a gypsy song, but maybe it's a good idea. I'm singing some song when I listen some music, but I don't know the real words I sing. I'm Coralie from France and I'm 25 years old. I met gypsy people and I a bit fall in love with them. It's always interesting to meet people who are thinking in another way. You open your mind and you say, ah yes, something cultural, it's not something universal.
You choose Slovenia or the project?
The project, yeah. For me it was not important the country. I have a preference for Eastern Europe. I wanted to work with Roma people. My task is to make video. For example, this week it was a workshop with kids and we were making video, documentaries and fiction, so they have to learn how to use the camera and then how to edit. So it was very interesting and very intensive because kids need a lot of attention. I was studying cognitive science and I was working during 1 year in a research laboratory.
Is it somehow connected with the work you're doing here?
Not really, no. It's very different.
What exactly you learned here so far?
Use camera and micro and all this stuff. And how the frames are and can be combined. Then to edit this material on computer, so use these softwares for editing like Final Cut. I like cinema, but like everybody, I'm not an expert. Before, I've never watched a movie thinking, for example, of the technical part or of the meaning of the frames, and so it's also a good way, a new way to look them watch the movie and to analyze a bit.
Who is your master? Is there any director that you're watching his movies like that, like analyzing frames or?
For now, no, I didn't do that. I'm just learning, it's the beginning, yeah.
Why you decided to come for the EVS?
Because I was not satisfied with my life, with my job in general. It was not a very good moment. I was thinking about EVS since a few months and I find the motivation and I said, okay, I need to change a bit field and country and all. So it was a good way to do that.
How do you find Slovenia now?
I like it because it's very small and it's rural and people are very nice, very open and life is sweet in Slovenia.
Considering this, what are you going to do after you...
After EVS? I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to think about the after EVS.